Going on, people? As you can see in my hand, I have a black cord, and it's for basically just an old TV cord that you plug into like a DVD player. Now, as you have noticed, this is the other end of the cord. You have an AV cord which goes into your headphone jack. So this is one end and this is the other. This is a homemade aux cord. As you can tell, I spliced the wires right here. Basically what you do is you cut the cord and you wire it. Now, I will be coming back with a video right after this one on how to do it. So if you like it, let me know. I'll be watching. And that's a good. It works well. Works well for what I need. You can obviously make your own to your own specifications, but I'll be right back. I gotta grab something. Okay, I have a green cord. Nothing on the other end. I'm going to double up this cord. Just to show you how easy this is. And I just messed that up. So I cut the cable. Okay, I basically got the casing off. Now you want to take, if you're using a headphone cord, you basically want to take the blue and the green and the red and the silver and mix them together. Because one goes to your left audio and one goes to your right. After you do that, you want to, I won't be using this one. I will be using my other one. You can also do this with speakers, as long as they don't have a power out port on them. You can hook a thing on them, but you basically want to take them and hook them right into your cable, green to yellow, red to black. Once you hook that in, that'll be a functioning aux cord. So that's hooked up, and I can't do it right now because I'm using my phone to record this, but once I get another phone to upload it, I will. I wish I had something I could hook into it to show you, but right now I kind of don't, so I'll see where that gets me, and you let me know if you want to see more of my little redneck tricks. Been rednecking with Taco, so let me know. I'm here for you. Thanks for all the comments today.